The March Pixel update is finally here. A week after everybody else, better late than never. This is one of the most important patches and updates we've had in a while because it was made known to us this last week that there are 18 different specific security vulnerabilities, including 4 that could potentially allow somebody to hack into your phone without you actually even doing anything. And this fixes that. So very important to get this update. Go ahead and check now. This is for the Pixel 6, the Pixel 6a, and the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, other folks, going all the way back to the Pixel 4a and as far as the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, started getting this last week. The Pixel 6 family, however, was for whatever reason, left out. And my guess is they needed to do some more fine-tuning to go ahead and get everything fixed on the back end with the security stuff. That's fine, but now go ahead and get the update. So just business as usual, walk you through how to do this. So we'll go ahead to get the update. All you need to do, swipe down from the top, go to the settings. Then you're going to go down to System, scroll all the way down to the bottom, go to System, and then you'll see an option for System Update. So it'll pop up like this. It always does. Your system is up to date. I've never actually had it automatically go into it. You just go ahead and press the check for updates in the bottom right corner, and then that should get you going with your update. So I've got all 3 of the Pixel 6s actually, the 6, the 6a, and the 6 Pro. I'm downloading it right now on the Pixel 6. So what this is going to do, it's going to give you the latest security patch for March, so you'll be current on that. Anything that they've got updated on the security side, you will have that. And that's good, especially because of all those vulnerabilities. I'm not 100% sure that it addressed all 18 of them, but I know for sure that it is fixing and patching things on the back end for those 4 really, really bad ones that make it where somebody could actually hack into your phone just by knowing your number. And that's pretty serious stuff. And normally, a lot of times when it comes to security vulnerabilities, it's because of something that you did on your phone. Like you opened an email attachment, you got a text message, something that you opened that opens the door for somebody to sneak in and do bad things. This one was particularly bad because all they needed to do was know that you had a Pixel 6 or a Pixel 7, that wasn't fixed yet, and all they had to know is your number and have the tools to be able to hack. So that was particularly troublesome and worrisome. So that's updated now. You got the quarterly feature drop. Not a whole lot really for the Pixel 6 series phones. Even the 7, not a whole lot of stuff. They did increase the speed on the night sight stuff. So they basically updated the algorithm and changed a couple of things in the software. So if you're taking nighttime shots, it should be about twice as fast now, 50% faster. So go ahead and take a look at that and enjoy that benefit. But otherwise, there's not a whole lot of stuff. This is really kind of a very quiet quarterly feature drop whenever it comes to Pixel stuff, especially now as they add more stuff in, because of course they added the Pixel Watch. That's part of the quarterly feature drop stuff. They finally got the fall detection. So if you're a Pixel Watch owner, you have the fall detection stuff. Make sure you get the update for that. They added the head tracking and spatial audio stuff actually before the drop. So that's available for people who have the Pixel Buds Pro. Test that out as well if you're one of those guys or gals that has that. But yeah, as far as the actual Pixel 6, the biggest thing was just the improvement on the speed for the nighttime photography stuff. And they added some other little things here and there. A lot of things. There were over 40, I think about 50 fixes total for different UI and system stuff across the board for the Pixel 4a all the way up to the Pixel 7. Not 50 for each individual phone, but there were a lot of fixes, a lot of things, particularly for Bluetooth and Android Auto. If you've still been having problems with your Bluetooth and with Android Auto, hopefully this fixed that. So definitely you want to test that out, see if that's working. They added more support for more radio units and also some fixes for Android Auto itself, Bluetooth refinement. So like I said, nothing super crazy here, but enough that, of course, it's good that they got it. I'm glad they finally got it out, especially since, well, I recorded this on March the 20th, right? We're used to getting these patches the first Monday of the month, not like the third Monday of the month. But again, I'm sure the delay was because of the security reasons for fixing those patches on the security vulnerabilities on the phone. So we have that now. Go ahead and download it. That will fix it. That is the fix. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to click your heels together 3 times and say, I wish my phone was secure. All you have to do, download the security patch for March, install it, and then your phone should be nice and secure again. So that's all I've got in this video. Not going to waste any more of your time. Just wanted to get the message out there. I put a community post out in a tweet yesterday, but I wanted to talk about this because for a lot of folks who have been sitting around waiting, kind of want to know what some of the things are, what the holdup was, and whether this fixed those security vulnerabilities, and of course, it does. So that's all I got. If you have any questions or comments, please go down in the comments section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, if you found this helpful, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell for updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.